For this question, the first thing we need to do is find the scale factor. Now, sometimes the scale factor is easy to spot, sometimes it isn't. Here, to get from 2.2 to 4.4, we just have to multiply by 2. So the scale factor is really easy to find. We're timesing by 2. To get from shape A to shape B, we times by 2. Now, x is on shape B. So we're going from A to B. So we're going to times by 2. We'll do 3.4 times 2, which is 6.8. Y, however, is in shape A, so my arrow is going in the opposite direction. If my arrow is going in the opposite direction, I do the opposite thing. The opposite thing to timesing by 2 is divide by 2. 2.4 divided by 2 gives me 1.2. Now this question is slightly more difficult because they have twisted one of the triangles around. Doesn't matter, we are not going to be fooled by that. First of all, look for your pair. Our pair is 14 and 5.6. A little harder here to work out what we've done, what the scale factor is, so let's use the arrow method. We're starting with triangle A, going to triangle B. To get from A to B, we're going to first divide by 14, and then we're going to multiply by the corresponding side, 5.6. If we wanted to go back the other way, we'd divide by 5.6 and we'd multiply by 14. So first of all, x. X is on A. So we're going backwards. So we take the value that's corresponding to x, the corresponding to x, it's next to the double angle here, but it's not in between them, so it's next to this one, it's corresponding to 3.2. So we take 3.2, we divide it by 5.6, and then we times it by 14. I'm not expecting you to do this in your head, you can use a calculator, that's what I'm doing. So this gives me 0.57 and a few bits, so leave it in your calculator and then do your multiplying by 14 and it gives us 8, so x equals 8. Now y is on shape B, so our y is going to go here and our arrows are going to be going this way. What shape is corresponding to y? Well, y is in between the two marked angles. Here, in between the two marked angles is 18.5. So we take 18.5, we divide it by 14, which gives us 1.32, and then we multiply it by 5.6, which gives us 7.4.